This video is about keyword research. Let's say your business or website is related to baby products. For example, you are selling baby milk. I've listed 3 keywords here: baby milk, short tail keyword, best baby milk, mid tail keyword, organic baby milk, long tail keyword. So, which one is the best for you? Let's not just guess. We'll analyze them. Our main goal is to rank higher on Google. So we'll start by checking a free tool from Google, the Google Keyword Planner. It's completely free for everyone to use. Let's say we're researching keywords for a UK-based company. If we search for a keyword baby meal, we'll get a lot of suggestions. As you can see, baby milk has an average monthly search volume of 1k to 10k, but the competition is high. Now let's cross-check the keywords using SEMrush for more detailed analysis. Now let's search baby milk on SEMrush. If you search baby milk on SEMrush, here you can see it has 6.6k monthly search volume and a keyword difficulty of 28%. It's a good keyword. Now let's search best baby milk. It has 590 monthly searches and a keyword difficulty of 32%, and it's a tough one. Next, let's try organic baby milk. It shows 260 monthly search and a keyword difficulty of just 14%. This one is a great choice if you want to rank quickly. You can explore more keyword ideas from here.